Hello there. A very warm welcome to our cybersecurity training for employees.
Today, we will delve into working remotely. Lesson 4.
Hello there. Working remotely introduces several security concerns that need to be addressed to protect both personal and corporate data. Here are some key security concerns associated with remote work. 1. Public Wi-Fi may be unsecured. Public Wi-Fi networks are often less secure and more susceptible to interception by malicious actors. This may include rogue Wi-Fi set up in cafe or public area by malicious actors. 2. Lack of physical security. Laptops and other devices are more vulnerable to theft outside the office environment. Remote workspaces such as cafe may not offer adequate physical security, increasing the risk of data exposure. Whether you are working from home, in a cafe, or traveling, please use a virtual private network, VPN, to encrypt your internet connection and protect the data transmitted between your device and your organization's network. This helps prevent man-in-the-middle attacks. It's also wise not to perform any sensitive transactions, including financial transactions, without a VPN connection. In addition, be mindful of the physical security of your laptop in public places. Always keep your laptop close to you and log out when it's not in use. Ensure that no one is looking over your shoulder while you work and avoid discussing confidential matters in public areas. You never know if someone might be eavesdropping on your conversation. By following these best practices, you can help safeguard both your personal and professional data while working remotely. I hope you find this information helpful.